Now I can actually see how the earth is forming and everything.
In this class, we learn with Minecraft.
Minecraft could be used for like a lot of things. Binary, DNA, slope. It's just awesome.
You see the air molecules and then gravity too. This is another one of those fun games. In the process, you're learning a lot about aerodynamics.
The Universe Sandbox, all the questions I had about space and stuff were pretty much answered.
Here you can actually see what happens, like you can actually make things happen and experiment.
ignitedU is about helping teachers become masters of educational technology. Our professional development services are all about empowering the teacher to create a classroom that deeply excites the learner. The first step of the ignitedU process solution is needs assessment. Our needs assessment process allows us to make visible your school's long-term goals and the barriers to achieving them. We also cultivate a vision, a very clear roadmap for where the school wants to be in a period of time.
This workshop today, it was valuable to meet with other people who have a knowledge in technology in schools. Having people to go to, like Game Desk, it's helpful that they see the overall picture. They see how to facilitate the results.
Based on that information that we collect, we extract a technological blueprint, a training blueprint, and a content blueprint for that school. We build a content library based on whatever devices that are best suited for your pedagogical model.
You know, it's very, very difficult as a teacher, with your time, to spend a lot of time looking for new resources. So the fact that you have a curated set of games and applications that can be linked with lesson plans makes my life a lot easier.
We then engage in a planning process, a school leadership, where we construct a roadmap that works with their schedule and allows us to implement best practices across the school year. The training is designed specifically to address the needs of your school based on the needs assessment. So the first thing we do is offer them the experience from the learner's perspective of what this approach can do for learning. We then allow them to work through a process by which they teach to these different methodologies. Finally, we allow them to be put in the position to actually create the content for themselves. So this is a process of constant reflection and iteration with the school, where we're making course corrections throughout the year based on how your teachers are developing and at what level they're progressing. We have both on-site and remote sessions that allow us to check in and offer the support that's really needed for long-term change. We also offer impact stories that really showcase teacher transformation, learner transformation within the school. We have this huge wave of technology coming in to our schools. We have a huge culture of kids engaging in these same technologies. But what we do not have is a culture of practice that really leverages those technologies for deep learning. And that's what ignitedU is here to do.
We have a great opportunity working with Game Desk to bring in more multimedia type content into the classroom while at the same time balancing that with the high expectations for learning that are taking place.
What I think has benefited my students most with the entire Game Desk experience is it's changed their entire view of what math is capable of doing.
The number one thing that game-based learning and Minecraft has affected my classroom is the culture. The kids are so excited to learn and they're so excited to show off what they're learning.